Tuesday, April 6, 2021. Hi guys, special episode today. We're doing the first cut. So it's very important to really pay attention because at the end of the year, we're going to compare how the grass is now to how it'll look come September, October. Okay, and we hope that it's going to be a lot greener, fuller, and healthier. Before we end today's show, we're going to take a look at how these lilies are doing. Hang tight. Okay guys, he's back. Let's get started. Look what we have here. I think these are going to turn out beautiful. What do you think? Should I just pull these accents out? Looked like it was trying. Yeah, I think I'll pull them out. There's no use for them. They don't look good. I thought some green was coming in, but I don't think so. I don't know if I'm going to pull them out today, but I had hopes that they would grow like the plants here, but I think by now I would have seen something, so I have to let them go. I won't be edging today or using a blower. I was doing some garage work with it the other day and my batteries died, so this is going to be it. This is the first cut of the year, front yard, so I don't know if you noticed, but the bees are already out. I got a trick for them this year. Oh yeah. Well, that's going to be it. You guys take care. Remember, take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.